I'm Peppa Pig. Oh, eat my rice roll, my now. Eat my pig. Oh, it's that pig. Oh, Peppa Pig. Oh, the toy boat. It's duck in a pond. A bear happy. Quack, quack. Hello, Mr. Duck. Quack, quack. Oh, that one is red. Sorry, Duck. It's hard to live today. It's much for fun. Baby roll toy boat. Quack. Shoot the toy boat. Shoot. They want a boat that shoot. Shoot the boat the lock boat. Which short? What the boat in the boat? His lock boat ran off. He shot the boat. Mommy, so why my boat up? Your boat only white paper. Peppa boat is sailboat. A window. I don't like my boat. You would anything. It's just the windy day. I tell you, I parked apart. And you yell about the. Hooray! The wheel bus. Here, Peppa says, hello, everyone. Hello, Lucy. I got my people. It's lockable. No, it is a battery. Susie bought a battery. Ooh. It's a bat. Rock. Sorry, a bat. Rock. Whoa. Hello. My reindeer make a paddle boat. Ooh. It's there. What a neighbor. And look, I broke a tape red. A true. A duck run out in the pool. Hello, one. Hello, background. We play with the boat. I wish that I had the boat. A bigger rabbit and not apple. I got a deal. Family pig. This is the place. And now, new dog. Passion. Not passion, but alright. Then I made that. Then I wrote. It's the paper boat. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Short one, paper boat too. Very good. Now I make some. We had one. I mean. Alright. That me paper boat. The everyone. Make higher race. Good. You might be about a low paper boat. Rainbow, hot, and low. We are the winner. It's shorty boat. Shorty winner. Hooray. I love boat. I love paper boat the best. Me too. It's time to go home. Goodbye, Mr. Duck. See you soon. A duck, a toy boat, a warehouse rider.